Mataram. Many opposition parties have claimed that this is just for the political mileage of BJP is the one who want to take.
No, see, the discussion on Vande Mataram, for that matter, any discussion in the parliament on the floor of the house is agreed upon by both the ruling and the treasury benches as well as the opposition benches. So it is only after that they have agreed that the discussion on Vande Mataram is happening. So for them to say that today BJP is doing this for political mileage is nothing but hypocrisy. And I think they are also worried somewhere in the bottom of their mind that they are going to be exposed. The way in which they had censored Vande Mataram and reduced it to just 2 stanzas, when one of their home ministers was present in a convention in 2006, I suppose, 2009. Despite Vande Mataram being called not for pro-Muslim, there was nothing. He did not even rise up to defend the national song. So there are many instances where we can say that they have actually disrespected Vande Mataram. So today, when the BJP is standing up and is talking about Vande Mataram and how we have accepted it and we are celebrating it today. 100 years of Vande Mataram in 1975 was totally ignored. They did not even bother about it. But today we are celebrating the 150th year of Vande Mataram, not as BJP but with the nation. So that it is nothing but hypocrisy if today Congress is going to say that we are getting political mileage out of it.